100 hungry monkeys. Uh-oh, it's lunchtime, and these 100 monkeys are all out of food. The leader monkey calls the other 99, "Follow me!" Away they go. Then all 100 hungry monkeys set off looking for something to eat. Look, there they go. And 100 excited monkeys find many things to eat. Enough for everybody. Look, they've got apples and watermelons and all kinds of yummy treats. Soon, 100 full-bellied monkeys curl up for a nap. Uh-oh, who's lurking close by? Uh-oh. Roar! Oh no, 100 frightened monkeys are about to become lunch. Run, monkeys, run! There they go. One clever monkey makes a rope bridge to cross the river. Here he comes. They're all going across. Here's the clever one. 99 brave monkeys hold on tight as the monster gets closer and closer. Splash! Phew! 100 lucky monkeys escape just in time. Close one. But the monster isn't so lucky. He yells, "But I just wanted to play with you." So 100 strong monkeys work together to pull and pull and pull and pull and pull the monster up. Whew. Well, now 100 silly monkeys and the friendly monster play together all afternoon. Look where they are now. This monster makes a great pool. This monkey says, "I'm the king of the castle." And these monkeys say, "Who's afraid of heights? Look how tall he is. He's way up at the top." These guys over here are saying, "You are very strong." He's holding a tree with 2 monkeys on it. These guys are riding some horses, it looks like. These guys say, "It's like a roller coaster." Goes, "Wait up." There go the little ones. Oh, there's a sad monkey over here. "Who ate my fruit?" This guy up here says, "What a great view." And look, these guys are swinging on the monster's tail. The monster makes a great swing. "Look at me." And the monster makes a great slide. So funny. That night, 100 happy monkeys and the monster gather around the campfire for a sing-along. These guys say, "Dooby dooby doo." This guy up here saying, "Me, me, 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 me." His horse says, "Neigh." And the monster is saying, "Tra la 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 la." These monkeys are saying, "La la la." This guy's saying, "Dum da dum da dum." And the bird's saying, "Tweet, tweet, tweet." They look so tired. At bedtime, 99 sleepy monkeys and their new monster friend tuck themselves in. Good night, little monkeys. Good night, monster. Tomorrow is another day to play. Shh. 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 The end.